Hey, sit down. Eat.
Bus.
No, there's no buses outside.
Oh.
Are you going to eat?
Yes.
Sit down then. You're going to have to go back in your high chair.
No.
Sit down. Want some more noodles? Yes, please.
This.
Can you say, Where's your fork?
Milk.
Good girl. If they're hot, don't forget to blow on them.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Okay, put them in your mouth. Hey, you. Eat your food.
That's
No. Eat. Mm-mm-mm.
Mama. 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 Yay!
Are you playing or eating? Eat. Are you going to play? Okay, then you can't have your food back.
No.
Are you going to eat? Good girl. Where's your snowman?
Mama.
Good girl.
Go.
Oh, that's your belly. You say bye-bye to Dada and Auntie Rachel.
Yes.
Oh, on the phone. Wave bye-bye to the video. Or are you going to go for kisses? Kisses. Okay, whoa. Okay.